Britten, New Zealand proudly brings you the John Britten Tribute 20th Anniversary event, the Bears Sound of Thunder, Ruapuna, Christchurch. I'm Sam Britten, John's son. Welcome to the John Britten Tribute event. This year, the Sound of Thunder Bears Race Weekend is especially dedicated to John Britten and his team and the legendary bike they built. The Britten's worldwide racing success all started here at Ruapuna in Christchurch, New Zealand. It's incredible to have 7 Britten V1000s here on display. Let's catch up with the new owner of the CR&S Britten.
I'm Bob Robbins, and I'm the keeper of Black Beauty. You never really own a Britten. I bought the bike and knew right away that it had to go back into action, and it had been idle for 18 years. We wanted to be sure everything was good, so we stripped it straight down to the crankshaft, put it back together, put it on the dyno, and shipped it to New Zealand, and here it is. I rode it yesterday for the first time. The original plan was to run 3 or 4 laps. I ran a tank of gas and ran it out, so that might tell you how much I liked riding it. And there's a chance that's probably the only time I'll actually ride it. I feel like the bike belongs in the hands of people like Stephen, Andrew, Sean, people that had a history with the bike. As much as I like the idea of owning it, it's really not about me.
Also here celebrating today are the amazingly talented riders who rode the Britten to racing success all over the world.
My name's Sean Harris. I'm a 3 times Isle of Man TT winner, and I'm the man that debuted at the Isle of Man. I'm the only person who's ever finished a race on one at the Isle of Man. There's unlimited amount of people around the world that are inspired by John. He was an infectious man. He would motivate people without even trying to, because they were in awe of what he'd done. So simply having 5 minutes with him would make you go away and look at yourself and go, well, hang on, stop making excuses and get on with it. For example, the trophy in my arm here is an Isle of Man TT production winning trophy. Simple as fact is he motivated me to keep trying harder at what my goals were. So one man's dream become a lot of man's dream due to John Britten's inspiration on people.
Yeah, hi, I'm Andrew Stroud. This is the bike I used to win the World Bear Series before John passed away, so it's a very special bike and a special time. That's the thing that stands the test of time. It's a wonderful creation, and it's always going to be a legendary machine, and John's always going to be a legendary person. I think everyone just feed off John's enthusiasm and just do stuff for him. You couldn't help it. He's a great guy.
massive thanks to the whole team for all the hard work and love over the years building the Britten motorcycles, and a big thanks to all our sponsors. Rest in peace, John Britten.